They helping? Good morning people. Okay. Hold the box, JJ.
I am holding.
Hold it down.
Hold it down. Hold it down. Strong, like this. At dahil kabuntisin yung Inday, dahil binilan ako ng TV ni Mister. Kaya patanaw daw niya ako ng Filipino movie para doon sa kwarto. Huh? Do the TV first.
Huh?
Gigising lang ng aking mga Inday. Sila, bibisan ko pa yan sila mamaya. Dahil, morning na morning pa dito. Help daddy lang. Daddy. Sige. Sige, oh. Mga little helper ni Wayne, oh. Sige, oh. Done?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Because Craig's garden is not dirty. So.
From that book.
Yeah. What are you doing there? Nag-hover yung kanilang daddy. Dahil nabuntis si Inday, ayaw nang ipa-hover ni Dudong. Kaya na yung hover, day. Aking natural na beauty. Kaya alam nyo naman, ang inyong Inday ay buntis. So, mag-rest muna yung aking mukha sa lahat ng mga chemical. Ako, wala ko sa moda. Yoy, karon inapas nga kami ni Mister. Maaga yan siyang umalis kanina. Dahil iniwan niya lang kami dito sa bahay. Kaya ako, nagpaiwan ako. Hindi niya sana ako sasamahin today. Gusto niya na iparest lang ako. Huwag magawa ng kung ano-ano. Tulog lang daw ako. Kaya sometimes, umaalis yan sila ng mga bata. Sila lang. Hindi na nila ako sinasama. Dahil gusto niya nga magpahinga lang daw ako dito sa bahay. So, yun yung nangyari. At ngayon,
Are you trying to drive or do you want me to drive?
huh? Is there airplane tech
Yeah,
in our car?
They're not on yet.
Huh?
That's what I'm asking you. Because if
You.
me.
Arte na kayong proceed in mo drive.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I drive because your niece.
Huh?
I drive because your niece.
Okay.
Ako na lang mag-drive dahi. Kay nawa ako sa kanya. Kay kuan man. Yung tuhod niya pala last time, di ba? Nung umalis kami nagsakit. Huy, meron pala ako nakita dito sa aking bag. Kita niyo to? Ayan. Yung nag-Jollibee pa kami nito, day. Hindi pa kaya to nasira. Di binilan niya ako nito eh. Mango pie. Ambot lang ano eh. Basta yan, ito lang yung aking dadalhin, yung bag. Tapos magkuha lang ako ng juice ng mga bata. Kaya baka manghingi yan sila ng juice. O sapatos lang muna ako. Nanghihingal na ako. Pero, swerte ako this time. I hopefully hindi mag-change na grabe yung suka-suka ko. Kagaya ka Inday Jessica. So, ayun na po, yung aking natural na color na po ito ngayon. Pero medyo maputi din ako sa camera dahil itong camera ko nakakaputi. Sa personal, medyo kuan lang ako, brown, morena. Pero wala yang lagay yung aking mukha ng kung ano-ano. Very natural because of my pregnancy. I cannot use anything. Oh, teka lang, kunin ko muna yung ating kuan dito, tay. Yung mga juice ng mga bata. Hayaan niyo muna itong aming bahay, ha, na medyo makalat dahil ayun na nga, pagka ako lang dito. Hindi niya ako pinapalihok sa bahay. Hindi niya ako pinapaluto. Hindi. Nung una, nag-order lang siya. Ito lang siguro, no? Mag-share lang silang dalawa. Tapos dalhan ko lang sila ng apple. Baka magutom din itong dalawa. Teka lang. Para mayroon namang apple doon kay Bayaw. May apple yun si Bayaw eh. So, dalhin lang natin itong apple. Just in case lang naman. Malapit lang din naman sa Morrison doon. Pero just in case, teka, kaya magdadrive muna ako daya. Ay, hihingal na gid ko. Hindi ko pa natawagan yung aking doktor.
Ready?
Yeah. Dito na lang yung kuan. Nandito na yung mga bata, naka-seatbelt na ito. Siya na yung naglagay nito. Lang, can I put my jacket and my bag in the middle na? Uy, nagtagsa naman mong iPad. Ha? JJ ni, give Jessica's bawa. Diri na lang ni akong bag, pe. Agay, sakit na yung tuhod. Ha?
Turn into wolf dogs, do they?
Agay, what dogs?
She said when dogs are older, they turn into wolves.
Is it?
So Jessica said, it's cold then, and all of a sudden.
I'm telling Daddy you came in the message.
I did. Because my phone is full. There's no reason to keep all the messages in my phone.
Is your window
Jenny.
up or down?
Oh.
Mine's not down.
Nice looking, isn't it?
Ito na kami.
Come on in, let's go do some painting. It's all done then, isn't it?
Where is he?
I think he's on the
Inside?
back.
Oh. Go there, the other side, Jenny, please.
Oh, this side.
Stop biting your finger lagi, bay. Your nails. It will be ugly. Ala, open man pala yung likod niya. Oh. Agoy, hindi na talaga yung naka-open yung likuran. Teka lang.
In your bag.
Ah, no, that's okay there. I just bring my phone. I will just bring it there, honey. And my jacket.
Have you seen Craig's pink iPad?
Where? Does Craig have pink iPad? Kalang kunin ko lang yung aking jacket at itong aking bag. Eh,
I think Jenny got it.
baka manglamig ako dito sa bahay ni Kuya.
Oh, it's JJ's got pink iPad.
What is it? Whose iPad is that? Sobrang tumataba na ako dayo, oy.
It's Uncle
It's
Craig's,
yours?
isn't
No, it's mine.
it? So,
Andito na naman kami kay Bayaw. Yung trabaho ni Bayaw dun, is it done there?
yeah, it's done over there. Look how lovely it is. All
Oh,
clean
that's
and-
so tidy.
Hmm.
Wait, it's cold. Do you think they need
Walk
jacket?
over and vlog it, Mummy.
Ha? Do you think, kuan?
It's warm at the back. It was, it's sweltering earlier.
Do you want to come with mommy?
Careful of the road, guys.
Ito yung gawa ni Bayaw. Aray, pistol. Ayan, oh.
Okay, I'm making it.
Are you coming? Or no? Andun, oh, yung ginawa ni Bayaw. Doon siya nagtatrabaho. Last time. Pero tapos na siya at naswildoan na daw siya. So, yun na. Tapos na. Hindi na ako Uy, ang lalaki ng mga apple. Ayan, oh. Masarap ba ito na apple? Magpakuha tayo kay Bayaw, day. Apple. Ay, umakyat na naman sila dito sa taas. Ano kaya yan o lunar calendar ni Bayaw? Si Mama. Ang bait-bait ng biyanan ko na nito. Hindi ako napagalitan nito ever since talaga. Aakyat lang tayo dito kay. Nandito pala sila. Akala ko ba magpipinta kami. Hinihingal na ako eh. Hi!
I find love.
Aray ko.
Oh, I see. It's a timer.
Ladies want you, Craig. Kumusta everybody? They regards to Craig. There's Craig regards to my brother-in-law.
Kumusta?
Jenny natatawa. Why are you laughing, Jennifer? Hmm? Ang isa dito, busy naman siya maglaro. Oh, naglaro ng iPad. What is it?
You probably won't even know what it is.
Part of a motorcycle.
Yeah, a little piece of paper.
Irish
Alright.
dancing, isn't we? It's Irish.
You have Irish blood, right?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
We have, yeah.
McCormick. Our grandmother's side.
It's in that green day.
So Jenny
It's
have
Scottish, innit?
No, they're Irish, Craig, from Ireland.
Irish,
Cormac.
McCormack.
Irish,
McCormack is
British,
Scottish. McCormick is
American.
It's and that's the
Scotland.
dance that everybody wear green.
Is it?
They wear green and then they dance.
Oh, right. Where? In Scotland? Where is it?
I don't know.
What's that, Jennifer?
That's something you probably won't understand.
If I show you.
So, Jenny, your hair is from Uncle Craig. Kasi
No, it's not.
you're curly,
I've
man.
got curly ringlets like mine,
Like you.
beautiful, natural.
You're like
ringlets.
yours, Jenny and
What's
Jessica.
my daddy?
Oh.
So you feeling all right now?
I
No.
don't like it, Craig. It's just getting bigger.
Mama,
Back to zero.
That's right.
What's mommy having, Jennifer?
baby.
Baby? What you call the baby?
Little fellow.
A little what?
Little fellow.
Little fellow.
Oh, a little fellow. Hey, bad gum, you little fella.
Little fellow, baby.
Yeah?
Me, baby.
Give Uncle Craigie a huggy.
Give
I
Uncle
don't need
Craig
a
hug.
Have a huggy, Craig.
Yeah.
Yeah, she gives good huggies. Give him a huggy. Go on. Hug it,
Give me a
Craig.
huggy.
Feel the power. Feel the
I
huggy
feel the
power.
Give
Feel
hug.
Uncle Craigie a huggy power. Feel it, Craig. That's how a hug or is that a hug? Huh? Charge your batteries.
Whoa.
Huh?
Wow, that was a lot of power. Flying planes as well, you?
She don't care. When Jessica's like this age, she's always shy to Craig, no?
Yeah.
When you're that age, you are always shy to Uncle Craig. And you always sit in my side. You're not like that. Look at her. Dancing. Sige. Dance.
Painful to do.
Where are you going?
You have your fluoxy.
Where are you going?
No.
Nowhere.
Dancing.
So now I've got my bike parts, I can build pretty much the whole electronic ignition.
See all the best of that engine.
Yeah.
He's got most of it.
Oh.
Solid boxes and it's thousands
Right.
of pounds worth. And he's got to build it now.
Did she just slap
He's gonna do
you?
some stuff to my engine.
She just slapped
Did
Craig.
you slap your Uncle Craig?
Flying planes now, are you?
What did you do?
Did you slap your Uncle Craig?
Because I want the teacher to talk to me.
Agoy. If you do that in Philippines, no, your uncle will go crazy with you. Then be like, you have no respect
So-
to me.
Really?
Sister's flying planes now, do you know that?
But here it's just normal.
Pippen's flying planes.
She's flying planes
Oh,
now.
is she? I thought he was on a motorbike. Oh.
She's just got blown up. You just got blown up. You're not flying them very well, are you?
She likes Uncle Craig's
Do you
attention.
want,
What did you do?
I got whisper bars in the fridge downstairs.
Ayan oh, yung apple. Sobrang tamis ng apple na ito. Gabayaw na ito kay. Nandito man sa kanyang side. Ano?
On the side there, at the bottom.
Magpipinta yung mga bata.
See it?
Yeah, that
And then the
side.
other side.
Ah, right.
And then the bit round the door where you cut the door.
Hala, they're fighting lagi.
You get to do here as well.
Can I see?
Ah, okay.
And the
Jenny,
bit-
put it on me.
Jenny,
There you go,
in the
Jenny.
side,
Down
Jenny.
Here, there, look. Here, let me show you.
Will mommy do it?
No,
On the side. Mummy. Oh, here you go, Mummy. Mummy likes painting. You're good at painting.
She
Mummy.
don't like me to do it.
Yeah, here you go, JJ.
honey,
She put that on the side.
Huh? What is it?
The paint.
Yeah. I'll move this one. Ay, pinapinta ng kanilang tatay pala. Uy. Ito na lang pala yung kulang niya. Kasi ito dito is mga gamit ito ng kanyang motor. So ako na mag pinta na lang
I can
ito.
do it running.
Huh? She what?
I can do it running.
Yeah. Are you cold?
No,
You sure? It's quite cold.
but I'm not.
You're not?
I you.
Huh?
I'm daddy.
Oh, serious ka siya. Serious ka Jenny magpintal, oh. Serious ka Jenny, bye.
I need more paint.
You need more paint. It's here. Hoy, here. Nakatugnaw man doy.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs.
Done?
I'm so tired
No?
of you.
Wing? Ha? Hello. Jennifer.
Wow, Baba, what did?
That's cement.
Sige. Ala. Ane, look at Jenny's complaining.
Have the big one. Don't have the big one.
Jenny, you can't have that one. It's too big and too heavy.
I'm not the baby. I'm big.
I know you're big, you're not a baby.
Ooh,
Ala.
that's the wrong word. That's the wrong word. No.
Why are you doing that?
Because
You've got to make it smaller.
Ah, make it smaller. Tinulungan ko na lang si Wayne dito. Kay naawa ako dahil masakit yung kanyang tuhod ba. Nandyan siya sa likuran. Oh. Jenny, tapos na siyang magpintal. Oh. Nandun siya sa mga manok naglalaro. Ito yung shed niya dito. Pag nakakuha na kami ng bahay, noon pa namin ito i-move itong shed niya. Matagal na ito dito kay Bayaw. Nung long distance pa lang kami nito. Ito yung ano niya, binild niya, long distance ko lang kami. Tumatawag siya sa akin, sabi niya, ginagawa niya daw itong ano, bahay-bahay ba ito. Yan. Itong aming pinipintahan. Ngayon, nandito na talaga ako, Day. Meron na kaming pangatlong anak, Day. Di ba, si Day Ilgin Power. Ang galing gumawa ng bata. Day Ilgin at ni Wayne. Sana all, sabi nga ni Bayan, nagtanong siya sa akin, okay lang ba daw ako? Sabi ko, hindi pa din, oy. Kaya sometimes, hindi naman ako nagsusuka, no, pero sobrang ano ng aking katawan, weak. Nanginginig sometimes. Ganon yung na-experience ko. Kaya most of the time dun sa bahay, pinapatulog niya lang ako, pinapahiga niya lang ako sa bed. Hindi nila ako dinidisturbo. Tapos siya yung naglalaro ng mga bata. Siya yung nag-ano sa kanila, nagbabat sa mga bata. Pinapaliguan niya. Tapos, naguhugas, naglalaba siya doy ng aming mga gawain sa bahay. Mostly ginagawa niya sa bahay. Tapos yung mag-ilo kay Jennifer siya. Okay, malapit na ako matapos dito. Nandun si Bayaw o nagmuni-muni. Ito na lang. Okay. Tapos ating ano dito. Ayan o, maraming mga blackberry. Kay Bayaw ito na side. Sinabi ko kay Wayne, hindi ako kakain ito kay Kuan. Merong maraming uod. Pero ang sarap niyang kainin, no? Nakakatintal. Dati, ang dami-dami, diba, ditong blackberry. Ngayon, wala na kay pinutol ni Bayaw. Okay. Ay, gihingal naman ko, eh. Nasaan na yung mga bata na dito? Yeah?
Why can't those little tiny pieces?
What did you use? What are you feeding them? Huh? Chicken?
this chicken almost eat my hand.
Agoy. Hala, nagkuha ng damo. Is chicken eating that one? Are you sure? I don't think they like that one lang. Pagpasensyaan nyo itong garden ni Bayaw kaya hindi pa ito nalinis dahil busy nga siya magtrabaho sa ibang mga renovation. Yes?
When Craig and then you told me that when you was in Philippines.
Yeah?
Ano, mommy? Congrats, chicken. Can I eat mine?
Malapit na ito matapos dito ang hala, nandito pala ito ganito. Oh, meron tayong ganito sa Pilipinas eh. She's jealous. She's jealous now. I want to try. Jenny.
Oh, you're
Okay.
heavy.
Sige, Jenny, you try.
Sit down.
Sit.
Put your hands there and your hand there. Ready? Here we go.
No wonder why they love their uncle.
There. Did you like that ride? Oh, you're heavy as well. Here we go. The wheelbarrow ride.
Look at Jenny. Again.
Good, you started something.
Lalakad lang ako dito saglit dahil si Inday Jenny gusto niya pakunan yung mga manok ni Craig ng blackberry. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo maghahanap ng blackberry dito. Hindi man ito kasi kagaya doon sa amin na maraming blackberry sa aming gubat dito. Wala akong masyado nakikita dito. Informe kung ano yung nandito kay sobrang ingay. Ano yung nandyan? Merong naglalaro? Wala mang blackberry, oy. Hindi na mapupunta doon kay madaming lalaki. Kasilaw naman, oy. Grabe ang init. Kinuha ko po ito doon kay Bayaw kay lagyan sana ng blackberry. Wala man akong nahanap na blackberry, oy. Iwan ko, wala talagang blackberry dito. Doon lang sa amin, sa aming likuran, madami. Meron naman sana doon kay Bayaw, kaso ubos na. Hala, may bike na tinapon dito sa giliran, oh. Yung mga bata nandun sa mga manok, no? Kung alam nyo naman yung itong mga anak ko. Always ito sila masaya kasama ilang Uncle Craig. Kay bakit? Yung uncle nila is very friendly. Hindi siya yung kagaya sa ibang uncle natin sa Pilipinas. Stricto kayo. Halos ayaw ko na makita yung aking ibang uncle sa Pilipinas. Stricto kayo. Char. Nakahugot dahil. Iba kasi yung ano, iba yung ugali ng mga puti kaysa sa ating mga uncle auntie sa Pilipinas. Dito yung respect dito dahil wala sa kanila dahil. No big deal. Kahit pa sapakin ka pa ng pamangkin mo, walang big deal sa kanila. Pilipinas nakasaba na gyud ta. No, there's no blackberry there, oy. I don't see any. Unsa, laka nakabutas naman ka lang. Ha?
Okay, Gaga. See you.
Just Jenny, she's feeding the chicken. I don't wanna eat it. I'm scared.
I'm trying to get this so we don't go on the shed, you know.
Yeah?
I'll have to come over now and again and cut them.
I think there's some people playing over
Yeah,
there.
football by things or rugby.
Oh,
Must be sports.
see, it's noisy.
Yeah, they're playing.
There's big ones there. Oh, blackberry.
Where? There?
Mm. I might eat that. Oh my gosh, honey. Ah, shit.
If you don't get paint on you.
It's the turn ay kuan. Nahulog na noon. Imbis sobrang excited ko sa blackberry na malaki day. Ayan oh, nahulog mo oh. Bigay ko na lang to sa kuan manok. Madami kasi to siyang tunok. Yan oh, maraming tinik ba. Ito yung problema sa blackberry. Kaya ang sarap niya kainin kasi ang dami niyang tinik. Bigay natin to sa kuan manok ni Bayaw. Nandun sila oh. Nandun sila oh. Kausap nila yung kanyang uncle. Jenny oh, I have more. There's some, I'll get the ripe ones. Here. Give it to them. Ah! She put her hand there. Is it painful? Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
There's a little bite. I'm scared. No, not you. You'll bite me the other way. No, stop.
You have to throw it.
Okay?
Na. Sama na, oy.
Wait, over here?
See, they like it. There you go.
Can you give me one?
Yeah.
There you go. They want me one eater one.
Yes, they like it so much. More, you have to ask daddy. Itapon ko lang to. I have to throw this away. No, they're not eating that one because it's not ripe. Yeah. Oh, slow. What's she talking about? Hoy, I'm not having a try. Kinunan ako ni Bayaw ng kuano, apple, mansanas. Jenny, go in please. Ayan, uuwi na siguro kami. Kay oh, medyo nang lalamig. Parang uulan siguro ay. Feeling ko uulan. Go inside. Put your seatbelt now. Ay, ilagay ko lang ito aking bag dito sa giliran. Kay put your seatbelt, JJ. Where's your iPad, Jennifer? Look at it.
Mommy, Mary going.
Enjoy na enjoy sila dito sa kanilang uncle. Ha?
Mary going.
We're going to buy something.
And then we're going home.
Mm.
We're gonna go.
Hala, ba't ang puti natin dyan, anak? Pistol, grabe ka puti, day.
Mommy,
Ah?
we're gonna go Mawson's and then we're going.
Turn it off. Grabe ang taba-taba ko na, oy. Mommy is fat now.
Jump.
Are you okay there? Yeah?
You're not fat, you're a big belly. Mommy, why that pineapple in? What? Was that pineapples in KJ?
Ha? Dugay naman yung aking asawa. Uy, nandun oh.
Got a view in it.
Buntis ako ba? Ang bilis-bilis kung tumaba. Grabe, yun yung aking na-experience. Agay, teka lang. Say bye, Uncle Craig.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye! Duh! Bye!
Open the window. Lo, what happened?
Hey!
Kinuha yung bawaw ni Inday. Where's your Princess Jenny?
She's holding it.
Ah.
What are you doing now?
Doing this.
Oh, you're on a bike, you? Wow.
What?
That's good. You're going fast.
Yeah.
Watch out for that lorry.
Philippine Mabe. Aray ko. Jenny, dali na lang. Ayun na. Oh! Ow. Ang sakit ng aking ngipin. Oy, ha? Where is it? My phone is in my bag. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jenny! Hala. Are you going? Parang wala naman itong planong lumabas in. Ang sarap. Gusto ko nito yung noodles. You like that?
No, I'm going to get the normal one.
Normal! It's a
This one says
Magkuha lang ako ng mixed nuts dito da. Ay, saan man yun yung mura lang. Ubus na ata. Ah, ito. Ayan. Savers. What are you doing? Mommy just get some nuts. Sabi ni Wayne, importante daw itong nuts sa ating pagbubuntis. Yeah? Oh, lucky you wasn't lost. Kasi ito oh. Kaya si Jessica sobrang talino kay nuts talaga yung pinangala ko niya sa kanya. What looking for? What are you looking for? Agoy, mag-shopping na naman tayo ng ganito soon, guys. Ha?
We need to buy that.
Yes. See, there's a lot here lang. See? Uy, mura na lang. Oh, 4 pound na lang siya.
What?
Ayan pala, nakasale yung mga ganito nila na. Yes? Socks. Your socks? Ayan oh, may mga puti. Tag 5 pound yung mga puti nila. Iwan ko, nasa mood ako ng puti at saka ganito na kulay oh. Ganyan. Yan yung gusto ko for now. Yung mga ganito-ganito, ayan. Mga gray, ganyan. Tapos, mga puti at saka brown.
Do any size?
Yes.
Do any size?
Where's the socks, anak? Here. Is this the one you want? Or the long ones? That one.
No,
Huh? There you go. Tapos ganito day, ganito. Yan, ganyan na kulay yung gusto ko. At ganito, yan. Yan, yan na kulay. This color I like this time, not like that.
hold it.
Okay.
Hold that.
Where's Daddy gone?
Mommy,
Yeah?
look at that new one.
Which one? Yeah, nice. There's a blanket there. Is that blanket? Yan, mga ganyan na kulay. Asa na ba yung asawa ko? Kita nyo na itsura ni Inday Elgin, oh.
Show me. Shannon. Oh! No! Mommy!
What is it, Jenny? What?
Sean, you're on 12:13 now.
Am I? Oh! Fine, Daddy. Malalaki na yung aking mga assistant, oh. May assistant Jessica and Jennifer. Ayan, magtulak-tulak na ako kay maglinya na kami doon. Aray ko. Now, I already have it. Come on.
Mom, you want to see
the TV straight away.
one of these
TV.
gold?
Yeah, the TV needs to plug together, doesn't it?
Mhm.
Oh, batteries.
What battery? Remote.
No.
Daddy will get battery. Stay here. Magbabayad na kami. Yeah, later. Well, after we pay for it, okay? Can you wait for a while? Yeah? Happy sila oy sa kanilang uncle. Nagbanding sila ng Uncle Craig niya. Yes, it's mixed nuts for mommy. There you go.
Mommy, is this raisin?
Yeah.
I want to eat the raisin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, it's open now. That's okay.
Mommy, I can
Later.
Yay.
You have two
Very
helpers.
Nice. Mind if I have a bit?
No.
Huh?
They're little.
I'll have pot and you let me have a bit. Can't have any.
Yes, you're too big for that.
Yeah. Heavy? This one,
Yay. The best.
80 pound. Enough. 80 pound. What? I didn't say you have chocolate. Do you have chocolate?
No, chocolate butter.
Times ba, nakakasama yung pag-stay natin sa comment section no? Dahil alam nyo, nakabasa in tangon ko sobrang sama yun niya ng salita do. Yung alam nyo, yung mga tao ba, kung ano-ano na lang ito yung sasabihin nila na dapat hindi daw sana ako nagbuntis. Yung ganun ba ng mga pang-istorya na bakit ka pa nagbuntis? Hindi ka na nga stable. Daming nilang yaw-yaw para sa akin guys. Sobrang sakit. Na sana hindi daw ako nagbuntis. Sana hindi na lang daw ako buntis. Mga ganun daw dahil. Alam niyo bitaw, hindi ba ako kinasabihin? Si mama ko hindi talaga nagalit sa akin. Na dati nag-ano niya sa akin, nag-remind yan sa akin na, huwag ka muna magbuntis dahil kawawa ka, wala kang kasama dyan, ganun. Pero reminder lang, hindi pa masama. Pero yung iba, bitaw dyan sa comment section, dahil parang sobra pa sa mama ko, magalit. Na, murag si Kinsa naka-entitle, murag Kinsa nakakuan ba, naka-own sa akin ba. Na kung ano-ano na lang yung mga sinasabi. Alam niyo, uy, blessing yung bata, uy. Blessing ang bata. Marami ang mga tao na gustong-gusto magkaanak, pero hindi magkaroon ng baby. Yung ganun, kawawa nga yung iba, diba? Kami dahil life naman namin to dalawa, no? Life namin to dalawa mag-asawa. Aming desisyon, aming tong life. Kami yung magastos, kami yung mag-alaga. Amin talaga lahat. Wala man kayong right, uy, na magsabi-sabi ng ganyan. Sana, hindi yan siya nagbuntis. Kaya kung ano-ano, ganito ganyan, ganito ganyan. Wala kayong right talaga. Mangialam sa kinabuhi ng ibang tao. Dahil amin naman itong desisyon, uy. At saka itong pinagbubuntis ko. Ay, pagaling dito akong tulog. Tapos hindi ako makatulog ng maayos. Yung hindi na full ang aking tulog ba. Tapos nakabasa pa din ako ng mga comment na kung ano-ano. Pangit. Ano lang ba? May right naman tayo magsabi sa ibang tao, no? Pero yung mangialam bitaw ng sobra-sobra na. Yung life na talaga ng tao. Tapos alam nyo, i-question nyo pa na madaming ganito. Maritis ra kay day. Sobrang pagkamaritis. At sasabihin ng iba na, kaya wag ka na lang mag-vlog kung ganito. Okay lang naman yung mga iba. Mag-comment sila ng kung ano-ano. Pero wag na lang yung mga, dapat hindi ka nabuntis. Kaya ganito ganyan ka. Ganito. Hindi nyo ba alam na plano namin ito lahat. Tapos meron pang nagsasabi na, ano, yung anong sabi nun? Sino daw yung ama nitong aking anak? Wala. Antayin nyo lang lagi, oy, kung sino yung ama nitong anak ko. Antayin nyo paglabas. Tapos doon nyo malalaman kung sino yung tatay nitong bata. Okay. Madaming nagsasabi, hindi daw si Wayne. Mga ganun bitaw ng mga kuwan. Kaya bakit daw, ang kagagaling ko lang daw sa Pilipinas. Kaya imposible, nabuntis na daw ako diretso. Mga ganun lang mga istorya. Importante na wala kaming inanapakan ng mga tao, no? Pero yung i-curse niyo pa na sana hindi na yan nabuntis, yung sana makuan na yan siya. Yung iba nagagalit pa sa akin dahil na, ay, magkuanan unta na siya, magabaan, tana yan. Ganun bita ng mga istorya. Hindi na siya tama ay, below the belt na. Kasi alam nyo, hindi pa kami kapanghilabot sa inyo. Tapos yung kulay ko pa, nagpatan ako, ang dami nagagalit. Oh, ikaw, kuan, ganito ka, ganyan. Sus, day. Unting mga problema ng ibang tao, kay problema, hindi ko nga problema yung papaiting ko, kaya gusto ko yung kulay ko. Kung hindi ako nabuntis, hindi ako mag-stop nung pagtatani ko, pero ngayon nabuntis kasi ako. Mahirap mag-stop, ay mahirap hindi mag-stop dahil yung chemical. Delikado sa mga bata. Yun. So, i-stop ko muna lahat. Before, pagid ko nalaman na hindi ko pa nalaman na buntis pala ako. Is nagplan ako na mag-reband ng buhok. Yung pa-straight, buti na lang hindi ako nagpa-straight ng buhok ko. Kaya ano, bata nga pala sa akin siyan. Kaya ganun. Oy, ang iba bitaw na sobra na kasakit magsalita. Are you done, Jenny? Nabihis na sila Inday. Unsa naman ka? Ang naka-cheerleader. Change that one kayo not going out this time. It's sleep time naman na. What? Tignan niyo siya. Parang naka-cheerleader. Wait. Anak. Huy. Go find something else ka. What JJ wearing? Oh, look at JJ. She's wearing shorts and t-shirts. Ka. What's that? Ha? Tanyo na. Anong ginagawa nito, oh? Na, inusikan ang seaweed. Put that. No, I don't want some. Put it back in the cellophane ka. Where did you get it? If you don't eat it, don't get a lot. You don't put it back. Alam nyo, hindi pa naman ako nagluod-luod, no? Pero pagkatapos kong kumakain, inaantok nga ako. Palagi akong naantok ngayon. Alam, what's the time now, na? Mga 8 o'clock na ata. Ngayon pa lang ako nagising. Hindi ako ginising ni Wayne. Pinapabayaan lang niya na ako. Kaya siya na nagpaligo ng mga bata. Paggising ko, sabi niya, Mami, nasa half bath. Nagkuha na daw yung mga bata. Ganun siya. Tinutulungan niya ako dito sa bahay. Tapos yung mga kalat, siya na yung nagligpit. Manonood daw kami ng TV ngayon. Ako na lang yung wala pang half-bath sa kanila. Kailangan ko din mag-half-bath. Pero uy, tinatamad ako ba? Parang akong naging kanding. Kandingon kay ko kanang, alam niyo nung yung hindi pa ako buntis. Okay na okay ako. Magpapaganda, magpagano. Medyo nito, natamad na ako. Uy, mostly. Natamad na ako. Ala, kalami. Nasa isip mo gusto mo kumain ng ganito, ganyan. Tapos hindi mo makain. Ambot lang. Kung ako lang ba yung ganito. Meron akong appointment sa aking ngipin. Yung kulang, I hope na hindi ito mag 200 pound yung isang ngipin. Kasi yung dalawa, no, tatlo na yung naayos sa akin. 150 pound, 150. Yes! 300 something na yung gastos ko sa aking ngipin. Kuan lang yan ha, pasta. Ganito kamahal yung mga dentist dito. Pero pag sa NHS, yung NHS ba, under sa government nila, hindi naman. Pero matagal ka asikaso kasi ang sobrang dami ng pasyente nila. Pero mura lang. Nanood na nga ng Filipino movie. Kita akong ngipin. Oy! Ha?
I was just talking to Daddy.
I think I found one.
What?
What's the title?
A journey.
A journey?
What?
A journey. I think it's Filipino.
Hello, oy, my teeth ba? When I eat, it's like
Should
squeezing.
have took that thing off, Craig. That you mix. We'll fill it whole, just temporarily.
Hi, JJ.
Hi. Look.
Are you gonna watch Peppa Pig?
We got free TV.
Do you wanna try it?
What?
Yeah.
Let's see. Do you want to see if it's any good, this
don't
Filipino
get
film or what?
Okay.
Journey?
Mommy.
Hey, JJ. Andito kami sa kama.
Mommy, do you
ng
know we
kanyang
can...
tatay.
Mommy, do you
Yes?
know some...
Wow, that's a nice house, Jenny.
Ooh, that's very
Mommy, do you know
Yes.
some iPad and phone, they can connect it to another iPad or phone.
Yeah.
But why can't they do it to mine then?
I don't know. The
Maybe
iPads.
it's because I didn't add it.
Maybe. Andyan yung kanilang papa.
Maybe I
Oh.
need to go in settings.